Bit of a rainy Saturday morning here. Entirely enjoyable, however. Kind of lame weather this week, though, but because me and my wife were trying to lose a bit of weight, I'm starting to get a gut. And, this is the week we're going to start going for a walk every night, all that sort of thing, and then it's a stupid cold weather and tired days at work and all that, so we didn't really get around to it. We're gonna do some walking today, but it's kind of looking more like a Scotland today than a, Missouri. But another. I saw the videos about the sparkless pipes, the torpedo, Zeppelin, or whatever the hell shaped pipes yesterday, or 2 days ago. I can't bloody remember. But I showed my wife, and she was like, "Those look kind of cool." And I was like, "Yeah, you can get them." It's like I'm gonna try to search eBay and see if I can find one on the cheap. And I'm putzing around eBay right now. I found some stuff. But I think it'd be a kind of cool thing to have. Work a little bit better for outside smoking, which I do quite a lot. Guess I'm gonna keep searching around on those things. Keep I haven't putzed around eBay in ages. I almost forgot my password and login, but thankfully it was one that I used quite a bit a long time ago, so easy to remember for me. If anyone wants to try to hack the password, all I gotta say is good luck, fucker. But that's about it this morning. I'm still waking up. Taking the cats to their vet appointment in a couple hours. Get them all checked out. I get the lovely job of digging through the litter boxes for cat shit samples from both of them. So I've already got one down, and just waiting for Fatso to lay a fresh stinky. Woo, fun. But enjoy the rest of this pipe and listen to the rain. So as always, take care and keep your stick on the ice.